Hello everybody, my name is Willie Augustine, and this presentation goes over the draining and filling of an automatic transmission. The 5 W's: who, what, where, when, and why. Everyone with an automatic transmission should do this procedure. They need to change all the fluids, recommended fluids, including the automatic transmission fluid, in a safe environment or at your local dealership. You need to check the owner's manual for scheduled maintenance intervals. And if they say if it's a lifetime automatic transmission fluid, it's a hoax. Believe me. The picture on the right is a paper towel with dirty automatic transmission fluid, and the one on the right is clean, clear, and red. First of all, you're gonna have to pop the hood. Not all vehicles are the same, but this procedure is very similar. Next, you'll then raise and chock the vehicle, either with jack and jack stands, or what I'm using here, which are Rhino vehicle ramps. You can find all these at your local auto center or Walmart. It is very important to chock the wheels. It prevents accidental movement. Plus, you don't want to be getting crushed by the vehicle. You want it raised enough to get clearance. Then you will need to find the dipstick. It is either sealed or it has a dipstick like mine has here on the right. The owner's manual will tell you. Then you will locate and loosen the automatic transmission drain plug. Mine uses a 14mm socket. You will then loosen it, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, to drain the fluid. You will loosen it, then use your hand. It is good to have safety glasses and rubber gloves. You will drain the fluid into a designated drain bucket. And finally, you need to go into the owner's manual. It will tell you the correct fluid, the right amount you need, what dipstick is either the automatic transmission or the engine oil. And it will also tell you the recommended intervals. In this case, I will be using GMC and Chevy's recommended Dexron automatic transmission fluid. You want to make your vehicle last. Put the same amount of fluid that was taken out. Use the correct and right tools. Be very cautious about everything. Note that I am not responsible what you're doing with your vehicle. Once everything is done, you need to take it for a test drive around the block. Go onto a level surface and make sure that you have the correct amount of fluid. The dipstick will tell you. The dipstick here on top, when it's cold, it should be within the cold area, and when it's warm, it needs to be within the hot area. It is recommended that you check your fluids regularly and follow the owner's manual and the recommended schedule maintenance services. As you can see here, I took out my funnel and used the correct amount of fluid by measuring the fluid after it was drained by using old quarts. You want to make sure that you took the fluid out and put the same amount of fluid in. And that concludes my presentation. I hope that your vehicle lasts and you do the recommended schedule maintenance services. Thank you.